are you? Hope you all are doing well. Myself Aruna Moga and today's my topic is seed dispersal. Seed dispersal means transporting of seeds or scattering the seeds away from the parent plant. Means as we know that plants are fixed to the ground and they cannot move. And the seeds produced by the tree, in that condition all that seeds will drop under a tree, and all that seeds will compete with each other for nutrients, warmth and space. And the seeds which are getting all these three things, seeds, nutrients, warmth and all things, only that few seeds will grow into new plants and remaining seeds will destroy. So this should not happen. So for this, seed dispersal is important. So seed dispersal will be done by natural agents, natural methods. Few natural methods are there. So that natural methods we can say them as the dispersal agents also. Now we will discuss about that dispersal agents. See here, agents of seed dispersal are wind, water, animals and explosion. I repeat, agents of seed dispersal are wind, water, animals and explosion. Now we will discuss about these agents briefly. How dispersal will be done by the wind we will discuss. In this wind dispersal, the seeds which are light in weight and which are having hairy like structure, that seeds will be carried away easily with the help of wind and they will be scattered away from their parent plant. Such kind of seeds we can say cotton, dandelion and maple. See, in these seeds, if we see in cotton seed around the seed the hair like structure will be there, and the hair like structure will help them as parachute. Means with that hair like structure, that seeds will be moved easily with the help of wind. So like this way wind dispersal will be done. And now we will discuss how dispersal will be done with the help of water. So water dispersal. In this case, the trees which are growing, this dispersal will be seen in the plants which are growing in water and the plants which are growing around the water bodies or near water bodies. So such kind of seeds, example we can say lotus, water lily, coconut. If we observe coconut, in coconut we can see outer covering, fibrous outer covering will be there, and when these seeds will fall in water, with the help of that fibrous outer covering they will be float easily in water and they will be carried away from their parent plant. So like this way dispersal will be done by water. And now we will discuss how animals will help in this seed dispersal. Animals includes birds and animals both. These birds and animals will be attracted by the colorful fruits and they will eat that fruits. And whole fruit will not be digested by them. They can digest only juicy portion of the fruit. They cannot digest the seeds. And that undigested seeds will be excreted through their body through their dropping. Out of that dropping, the undigested seeds will grow into new plants. And some plants will grow the seeds with hook-like structure or spine-like structures. When these animals and birds move or sit on that plant, such seeds will attach to the fur of the animals or feathers of the birds. And when these animals and birds rub their body against any hard surface, that hook-like structure seeds or that spine-like structure seeds will be dropped from their body, and out of that seeds new plants will be grown. So like this way seed dispersal will be done with the help of animals and birds. We can say animals. And the hook-like structure and spine-like structure seeds, we can say example as tiger nail and cockle bird, burdock, etc. And now we will discuss explosion, about explosion, seed dispersal by explosion. In this dispersal, the seeds, usually the seeds which grow in pods, in that seeds we can see this dispersal. The seeds which grow in pods, we can say example peas and beans. When these pods will ripe, the pods will burst open and they scatter the seeds far away from the parent plant in all direction. So like this way, explosion seeds will be dispersed. Now I will show you examples of seeds which are scattered away from their parent plant with the help of these natural agents. See, let us have a look. Examples of seed dispersal by number 1, vine, maple, dandelion and cotton. Now, example of seed dispersal by water, here coconut, lotus, water lily, etc. are there. I have given only few examples. Here example of seed dispersal by animals, we can say apple, guava, tomato, and that hook-like and spine-like structure seeds we can say example as cocklebur, tiger, nail. And the seed dispersal by explosion we can say example peas and beans. So these are the example of seed dispersal in various methods. Again you can see example of seed dispersal by wind are maple, dandelion and cotton. And example of seed dispersal by water are coconut, lotus, water lily. Example of seed dispersal by animals are apple, guava, tomato, cocklebur, tiger nail. Example of seed dispersal by explosion are pea and beans. Hope you all will understand this video, and you have to remember all these things what I have explained in my previous video. Also we have discussed about seeds, structure of seeds and types of seeds. In that I have given one diagram also in structure of seed, that labeling parts also you have to remember. And in these examples and agents of seed dispersal also I have shown you. All these things you have to remember, and these questions and all what I am explaining I am going to cover in worksheet also. So you will be able to answer easily if you remember everything. Thank you.